Hey friends! Modern car cup holders in 2026 ensure your beverages stay secure, spill-free, and perfectly organized during every road trip. In this video, we're taking a look at the best car cup holders in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the Heart Horse Cup Holder. This clever gap-filling organizer is engineered to slide right between your seat and center console, maximizing unused interior space effortlessly. It features a unique dual-cup base capable of securing various sizes, while acting as a catchment for loose items like change. The high-quality finish ensures it blends with luxury leather interiors, providing a factory-installed look that many other bulky plastic alternatives lack. By filling the forbidden zone, where phones usually fall, it keeps your smartphone and pens within immediate reach while driving. It effectively doubles your storage capacity without requiring any tools or permanent modifications to your vehicle's dashboard or central cabin. Furthermore, the specialized friction grip surface on the insertion flap prevents the unit from sliding back and forth during heavy braking or acceleration. Next up, our second product, the Tiker Car Cup Holder Expander. This heavy-duty extender is the ultimate solution for those who travel with oversized 40-ounce insulated tumblers or large coffee mugs. Its innovative U-shaped slot allows handles to slide in freely, preventing the awkward tilting often seen with standard, shallow factory holders. The base features a precision twist-lock mechanism that ensures a rock-solid fit in any circular receptacle from cars to heavy trucks. Integrated rubber tabs grip your bottle tightly, dampening vibrations and eliminating that annoying rattling sound when driving over rough gravel roads. It is crafted from premium heat-resistant materials, meaning it won't warp or degrade even if left in a scorching car all summer. This accessory turns your cramped interior into a hydration station that handles professional-grade gear with absolute stability and ease. The base also features a soft silicone pad to prevent any scratching or damage to your vehicle's original interior plastic. Coming in at number 3, the Gorilla Grip Car Cup Holder Expander. Featuring an incredibly clever offset base design, this holder can be positioned away from gear shifters or dashboard controls to prevent obstruction. The adjustable arms expand to embrace massive 48-ounce containers, utilizing thick EVA foam padding to protect your expensive bottles from scratches. It is constructed from automotive-grade ABS plastic, providing the rugged durability needed for off-road adventures, boating, or even use in golf carts. The silicone coaster at the bottom provides an extra layer of shock absorption, ensuring your morning latte stays perfectly upright. This unit is specifically designed for those with large center consoles where a centered expander might block the armrest's opening mechanism. It offers a secure, customizable fit that feels incredibly sturdy, giving you total peace of mind regardless of the terrain you're tackling. Additionally, the tool-free installation means you can swap it between different family vehicles in just a matter of seconds. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Zaician Car Cup Holder Expander. Built from upgraded, high-impact polycarbonate, this durable accessory is specifically designed to manage everything from small espresso cups to 64-ounce jugs. The reinforced expandable arms offer superior resistance to side impact forces, ensuring your heavy bottles don't tip over during sudden stops or sharp turns. Installation involves a simple clockwise twist to lock the base into place, providing a customized fit for almost any modern vehicle. The inclusion of a dedicated triangle toggle button makes adjustments swift and tactile, allowing for one-handed operation while you are safely parked. Furthermore, its sleek matte finish resists fingerprints and stains, keeping your car's interior looking clean and professional throughout many years of use. It is a reliable, battle-tested upgrade for drivers who prioritize both heavy-duty strength and a refined, modern aesthetic in their cabin. The wide-mouth design also ensures that even tapered bottles stay centered and won't wobble while you are cruising at highway speeds. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Dylan Car Cup Holder Tray. This multifunctional 9.5-inch workstation transforms your front seat into a convenient dining area or a mobile office space within seconds. The 360-degree rotating arm allows you to swing the tray toward the driver or passenger, or completely out of the way. It features a built-in vertical slot that holds your smartphone securely, making it perfect for hands-free navigation or watching movies during breaks. The heavy-duty ABS construction can support the weight of a full meal and a large drink without sagging or losing its position. Its expandable base ensures a universal fit, while the non-slip surface prevents your lunch from sliding around while you're parked. This is an essential accessory for commuters, delivery drivers, and road trippers who need a stable, organized surface for multitasking while on the road. The tray can also be easily detached from the base for cleaning, ensuring your car remains hygienic and free of food crumbs. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.